Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a neck break butterfly bounces. Now this is a variation on a core intermediate move, and obviously knowing how to do a neck break butterfly would be really useful. Link in the description below. We're going to demo the move at a slight angle to give you a better view, but we will show you in the kind of normal direction in a minute. So looks like this. Goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2 and 3. Now obviously I would have liked to have sent Karen towards you, but she'd have gone out of shot. So let's break it down. Standard entry for a neck break butterfly. We go. Signal coming in. With the transfer, we offer the hand in the eye line and pick it up as we go down low, exactly the same as a standard butterfly neck break. We bring the lady round the corner, we send the lady out to the left, raising the left, lowering the right, so still standard butterfly neck break. We rotate the lady. The guy steps forward, you drop that right hand down, and this is where it changes. You take the lady over to the right as you would normally, but we take the energy to the left, and we don't try and bring the lady forwards at the end of this because we're going to bounce back. So all that's going to happen now is guys head back to the right, right hand comes up, left hand comes down, we send the lady back to the left in the process. You can bounce as many times you like, so you could bounce over and over and over. But when you're ready, you bring the lady back to a normal ending position on the right hand side, walk her forwards into the return, and we end up in the accordion position, rights over lefts as we step back. Now you could still shorten it, so you could have the lady here, and instead of bringing her forwards, you could just turn towards her and do the return on the spot, and that's easier. But assuming you've got to the point where you're starting to do variations on this move, I'm assuming you're going to do the standard exit. Okay, so let's talk numbers, and we're going to give you the numbers from this angle. So we go semicircle back, 1, coming in side by side, 2, we twist out, transfer and offer, 3, we come round the corner, 4, we go out to the left, 5, we swirl the cape, 6, we bounce across, 7 and back, 8 and over 1, and then it's into the return, 2 and back, 3. Now obviously I should have sent Karen towards you, but at least this way we're still in shot. Okay, so let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a butterfly neck break bounces. It's signal. Add in a transfer and offer, round the corner, out to the left, swirl the cape, we go a bounce, 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 walk and face. And that is that. I'll stick a music recommendation on the end, in the little boxes that come up in the last few seconds of the video, something nice to practice to. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you will know every time a new video comes out, and you will be helping to promote the channel, which we really do appreciate. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.